Hello friends, my name is Pawan. In this video, we will try to log in the user and check the flow of Spring Security by debugging the code. So this web security, this class is loaded whenever you run this application. Means while deploying this application in Tomcat, that time this class is loaded and it will take the all information from this class. So currently we cannot debug this class. Second class is authentication filter. In authentication filter, we have attempt authentication. So I added first breakpoint here. Second method is successful authentication. I added breakpoint here. And after that, I added third breakpoint in the load user by username in this method. So let's run this user microservice. I will run this as debug mode. So we'll switch to the Postman. In Postman, we already created this URL, this http://8011. This port is from Sol API Gateway. After that, our microservice name, and this URL is we configure this URL in the web security class. So I will show you this URL. Okay, I already told you while deploying this application, it will load this class. So this breakpoint is triggered. So I remove this breakpoint and pause. And here you can see user login, and this same URL you can see here. Email ID, password. We are matching this field from our model. This model here, login request model, you can see email and password. So let's try to log in this. So I am clicking on the send button, and you can see our first breakpoint is triggered. So let's check. Let's check the credential from login request model. You can see email ID and password. Okay. After that, let's debug next point. We are passing the email address, password to this method. And you can check here. This method attempt authentication, whenever control reach to this line number 48, it is responsible to call the method load user by username. So this method is triggered. So you can see the username. The username is aditya@gmail.com. Let's debug next. Okay, so we will get the object of that user and this encrypted password. Let's debug. Here you can see we are passing the email address and the encrypted password to the user constructor. This user is belonging from the Spring Security. So whenever successful authentication is occurred, that time, let's check, our successful authentication method is triggered. So let's resume this, and here you can see this successful authentication is method is triggered because login user is the authenticate user. Let's debug next. Here we will get the username principal username, and we get the user object. It's not a big deal. And here we will create the JWT token. And how JWT token we are creating? JWTs builder, and we need to set the subject. In subject you can set any unique value. After that, set expiration time. We can set the expiration time in the millisecond. So here first argument is the current date and second is the expiration time of this token. So this is 10 days in millisecond. After that, sign in with, so we are using the H2512 this algorithm, and here this key we are using to create this token. Let's debug next. It's taking time. And here you can see the token is created. Okay. And same token we are adding in the header. Let's add the user ID also in this header. Add header, user ID, and let's add this user ID dot to string. Okay, let's resume this debugging. Okay, we are debugging, that's why we are getting the gateway timeout. Let's run this again by disabling the debugger point. Let's send this request, and here we go. You can see here the token and the user ID. So this is the all about the Spring Security login. Thank you.